Top 5 Best Mirrorless Cameras for Beginners. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix DMC G80. Our pick is this Lumix, which comes with a micro Four Thirds sensor. Whilst micro Four Thirds is considerably smaller than a full-frame sensor, you can still expect great results from this model. It is capable of 4K video recording and has 5-axis in-body stabilization. It takes interchangeable lenses and comes with a 12 to 60mm zoom lens. The body is splash and dust-proof, so it's ideal for use in all conditions. The AF system is unique. You can shoot an image, then later change which point is in focus thanks to the post-focus feature. This isn't found on many other autofocus systems and can prevent worries about missing focus when shooting. Pros: post-focus, dust and splash-proof weather sealing. Cons: low lighting performance is poor. Much smaller sensor than full-frame mirrorless ones. Coming in number 4. Canon EOS M50. Canon is one of the best brands to consider when buying a mirrorless cam, and this one won't disappoint. It comes packaged with a 15 to 45mm lens, and there is a choice of either a black or a white body. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are included, so sharing photos to social media is fast and easy. The cam is compact, especially when compared to a DSLR with similar features. It weighs around 1 pound. If you are looking for a video camera, this one can take 4K video. It also has a 3-inch tilting touchscreen, so shooting videos from any angle is easy. There is an APS-C sensor on this camera and continuous shooting is possible at up to 10 frames per second. It has body image stabilization, although this doesn't always function particularly well. There are 143 AF points, so you can be sure that no matter what you are shooting, it will be in sharp focus. Pros: 143 autofocus points including IAF. 4K video. Cons: body stabilization is poor. Dynamic range isn't as good as on other Canons. Coming in number 3. Canon EOS M100. Our first mirrorless cam comes with a 15 to 45mm kit lens and a very useful tilting touch screen. It can capture 6 FPS in continuous shooting mode and can also take full HD movies thanks to the CMOS 24.2 megapixel sensor. There are loads of options for connectivity: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and an app from Canon. Autofocus is easy with this camera. It can track the subject and ensure it remains in sharp focus whilst softly blurring the background. There are 3 body colors to choose from and accessories are available to customize the look of the camera to suit your style. Image stabilization is included on this camera to ensure shots are pin sharp every time. A range of lenses are available, so you can use this camera for any type of photography. Pros: very sharp photos. Great autofocus system. Cons: video quality could be better. Controls are a bit fiddly. Coming in number 2. Fujifilm X-T3. The Fujifilm X-T3 provides the highest image quality, color reproduction, and the fastest processor in the history of Fujifilm's X series to date. It features a 26.1 megapixel CMOS 4 sensor, dual SD cards, dedicated AF joystick, weather sealing, 4K video, microphone jack, headphone jack, 10-bit color, 16 film simulation options, and a swivel touchscreen display. To say it's feature-packed is quite an understatement. It has 425 AF points that cover the entirety of its sensor. This amount of coverage, coupled with the inclusion of both face and eye detect AF, means that this camera can easily maintain accurate subject tracking around the frame. In all, AF performance significantly improves over the predecessor, especially in low light. Its AF system is also customizable and can be tailored to your specific style. The high-quality OLED electronic viewfinder delivers lifelike blackout-free continuous shooting at 11 FPS with a 100 FPS refresh rate. While the 3.2-inch touch LCD makes complex focusing and navigation a breeze with its responsiveness. Not only that, but it also has a 100% coverage of the sensor. On the video side, it delivers exceptionally sharp 4K videos at 60 FPS. This camera is the ideal choice for the versatile outdoor shoot with its sturdy magnesium alloy build, deep comfortable grip, and 1200 shot battery life. Coming in number 1. Sony Alpha A7 II. The Sony A7 II was a popular release in Sony's full-frame lineup of cameras. It delivers with a 24.3 megapixel CMOS full-frame sensor with an optical low-pass filter. It's physically larger than the predecessor, now featuring a deeper grip, more custom buttons, and a full magnesium alloy build. It has a customizable function menu, full HD recording, tilting LCD, image stabilization, headphone jack, microphone jack, weather-sealed, Wi-Fi, and NFC. The focusing performance here is fast, namely due to the hybrid AF system with 117 phase and 25 contrast detection points, which improves focusing performance over the predecessor by 30%. AF performance is excellent across all lighting conditions with the addition of Face Detect AF. It delivers a continuous burst rate of 5 fps with AFC tracking. The addition of 5-axis stabilization makes it a breeze to take sharp handheld shots in tricky lighting and provides 4.5 stops of stabilization. This was Sony's first full-frame camera to offer stabilization. The E-mount lens adapter it uses has outstanding support from third-party manufacturers and delivers the largest flexibility in lens selection. This is Sony's best all-around and most versatile full-frame performer.